What?
Nothing, I'm thinking. It's not always about you, buddy. I'm thinking of what to say. No, I'm not trying to make fun of you. Oh, you think I should have figured it out?
It just feels like you had it.
He expects
I did, but then, because it started off with, so as you guys can see, and so I was like, I like to change it up, but I don't always think about it right away. All right. Mini PCs have come a really long way, as you guys can see. The fact that we were...
Because it started off with, so as you guys can see, and so I was like, I like to change it up.
I think we had this thing under, like, over...
It feels like 2:30, but it's not.
2:08.
It's close, Jonah. Stop. You're looking at me, and you just stop. Turn around. No, turn around. It sounded so autistic. All right, I'm good. I don't even know where I was at.
You haven't done it. You can just start over.
We're gonna restart.
Let's just start.
What did I say before? I liked what I said.
Mini pieces come a long way.
Yeah. All right.
I'm sorry. You spent so much time thinking about how you can change it up, and you said.
I know.
You said 5 words and then went back to.
And then I went to, as you guys can see. All right. Mini pieces have really come a long way. I mean, all right. Chill.
Well, this one's gonna take a bit.
It's good. Dude, when Jonah's smiling, I can't. He's normally so despair.
He's always so soulless.
Yeah, he normally isn't smiling.
I'm not soulless. I'm just locked in.
He's hitting the tooth.
What we love to do here at the ToastyBros, build really awesome budget gaming pieces for you guys. And we'll show you guys how this. I was doing so good.
Were we?
I was doing so good. He said, "Were we?"
Jackson really threw me for a curveball there.
I threw myself for a curveball, Jonah.
4 tests, and it's gonna be common.
This guy's got a whole Bitcoin machine.
Well, I was trying to steal away the BC250 we're giving away on twitch.tv/ToastyBros. More information about that.
By the way, but
I was not even playing.
Is it over?
No, it's not over.
Okay.
And we're giving it away in the Discord, not Twitch, by the way.
Oh, my bad. Discord.gg/ToastyBros.
There we go.
Black Friday was very dark this year. As in bad
only about
deals.
6 or 7 Black Fridays I'd consider.
Only about 6 or 7. This HP Omen, well, it's not a...
It's not a Victus.
That's what, no, I was gonna say that. This HP Omen, it's not a Victus, it's not acid green.
But she smells like one.
Perks of drinking. All right.
Jesus Christ.
You've been doing that again, haven't you?
You see your little Tito shot with your ginger ale?
Hello. I'm from the back. I'm hitting it from the back.
He's from the back. He's hitting it from the back.
All right, sad T-Rex.
Free RAM! Any you can spare! Free RAM! Why am I saying free RAM? I'm giving away the RAM. Spare RAM. Okay, yeah, I gotcha. I need free RAM!